Racing. Talaga nang para.
Sunlight spills on the window. The aroma of coffee fills the air. Lazy cat is curled up on the sofa.
Good afternoon, families. Good
Time
afternoon.
passes so slowly as if it were hidden
Advisors, and good
away.
afternoon to Michael.
Wind gently blew
We are
across the face. Pleasant melody lingers softly in the ear. All the trouble.
Kanila nanood sila ng UPD, ay ng UAP. Ah. Maglakad na lang tayo, racing. Talaga ng UP para when the world is up and up. Isa pang ikot bago
Nag-exercise tapos.
para kumain. Siyempre, isa
Sunlight spills on the window. The aroma of coffee fills the air. Lazy cat is curled up on the sofa. Time passes so slowly as if it were hidden away. Wind gently blew across.
Unfortunately not decreasing between Russia and the Ukraine. All these things that are happening in the world, assassinations of the righteous, all these things. But as are you following me?
This is us
Not
before
being self-righteous,
ng inasal.
but this courage to stand.
Laruan na. So, ganun. Pero mabagal lang yun eh. Gusto mo makita yung mabilis eh. Yung mabilis.
Gumit na ako sa kanila.
ng dalawa.
Sunod!
Ganyan ba yung kanina?
Wala, di naman sila shot kanina. Yan. Ayun, tumingin. Okay na. Yan muna. Ikaw na mag-anas eh. Try mo nga magdali ng lupa. Try mo lupa. Isa lang mo.
9, 6, 7, 8. Oo nga, last stage na.
Oo nga, hindi.
Dito, mo ito. Paano siya ma-identify? Hindi kaya. Pag emotional.
Nilagyan ko na ng MDs.
Ang ganda ng tablet na, hindi ba?
Kasi naglagay ako dito sa iOS ko. Can you boot it? Tapos MDs.
Pagmumula sa mga ligaw na kaluluwa ang kagilaparang na mararanasan.
Lakas mo lang.
Ikaysa ng Setyembre 2023, pasado alas 5 ng
Siya talaga yung nagkumakaon ng tawag dito yung
biglang binuhat ni Lian ang 2 taong gulang niya.
Mapapanis na yung ganda ko. Sobrang ganda.
Nakabidyo pala. Wala sila ang panggit na nakakarapto. Hi sir, ikaw sir.
Good afternoon, families, and good afternoon, good afternoon, families, good afternoon, advisors, and good afternoon to my co-researchers.
We are group.
We are group 2.
Nag-wide siya, guys. Ayan o, gumaganyan siya. Hello.
Go.
Hello. Ay, malakas nga.
Pinavalidate sa pangalawa, after ng validation, if may changes, papavalidate ulit din sa pangalawa.